Oral tax. My name is Rubén Darío Elandia Torres. My it cars 101360924. Oral tax. Hi, Everson. Today, it will compare to amazing countries Brazil and China. Even, even though three are far apart about our tool or culture, history, and diversity, let's explore in working language, sport, and curious facts. Waiters. Brazil has tropical climate in most part. She country is usually hot and humid, especially in Amazon. China has a more varied climate in north, where can be very cool and dry, while sheet south is warmer and more humid. Language. Is Brazil people speak Portuguese. In Chile, only country in South America doesn't speak Spanish. In China, Chile's official language is Mandarin Chinese, but shared are many dialects and cantonese, shared and tag sport. Brazil is a famous for football, soccer, and language like Pelé and Neymar are from Brazil. China excelled in table tennis, badminton, and gymnastics. Cheer are allowed among cheer top countries in Olympics Games. Thank you.